My son has planned it meticulously so that I get to go on all 3 trains. It's just a shame that Grandpa wasn't feeling 100% to come today because this was really his day. And we've got the ticket, so we might as well make use. We're finally here. So our day is about to start. Sheringham. And I think we have to go to the, up and over. There we are. Let's go. The steam train's there. Right, I want to get on this one. Oh, there's another one. I want to go on that one as well.
Morning.
Morning.
The individual cabin.
Yeah.
You'll find an empty one.
Dude, dude. Go to that one.
Do another line on the back one, please. We have an engine coming in.
We're right at the front, next to the guard. Oh, I'm so excited. So this particular train, beautiful window that I've just opened. Look. Oh, it's heavy. You lift it up and then you lift it back down, but there's a thick knack to it. I'll get my son to, but it's 1924, these wooden carriages, and this used to go all the way to London, to King's Cross. Another steam train has pulled up to the side. Oh, that's the guard gonna come in. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, I can see what Grandpa used to say when he was a kid getting on the steam trains. Oh, blooming hell. I've worked it out. You're going to do that again, whistle. We're going under a wee bridge. Get yourself in. Look at that! Wind's changed. This is Holt. Holt. Ah. This is a different one. They don't, they go up and it becomes one track and then you can split gauge.
Where?
Here, you go up, it goes up to here and then it split gauges. So it's pulled that lever. Going to come backwards. This is Holt Station. We'll go and have a look at the model railway in a minute. Yes, you will. Right, I need the bathroom. Ooh. So let's go down.
Are they from the youth team? Oh, I didn't know.
Got a little bookshop there. Oh, there's an open fire there. That's why you're all standing there. Ah, I'll let my son know. I'm sure he'll be coming to join you. That's a model railway in there. I'll have a look.
What is moving? This one,
Ooh.
that one. If you stand here, you'll get a good video as it comes by.
Oh no, they're on different tracks.
Or maybe from here.
Or you can get a video from putting into the station.
Hold on, hold on.
Since you're me making this on
Doot doot.
all the cheap.
Is it pulling into the station?
Yeah, the station's over there.
The other one's coming round.
So that's the station just there.
Oh, right.
And there's the station bridge you can see with the lights on.
Oh, right, yeah. Oh, that's quite good. Very realistic.
It'll move in a second as well. Look, keep recording there, you'll get both the trains moving.
There's an open fireplace on the other side. There's a, if you want to warm up. So this is the cottage. Oh, it's made out of a railway carriage. Okay. Let's have a look.
Got beds in it.
Ooh.
Welcome to the railway cottage.
Ah.
This is an original carriage. It was built in 1899. It ran in London from Liverpool Street to New Cross until the 1920s. When it was taken out of service, it was bought by a family and moved to a plot of land they had in Sheringham in Norfolk. There they set two carriages up side by side and converted them into their house. They and subsequent families lived in it until 2008, when a brick dwelling was put on the land. They donated this to the railway in 2009, but they kept the other carriage themselves. So with a lottery grant we were able to build this annex. This replicates what would have been in the other carriage.
Oh, right. So it's like having two carriages
Yeah,
side by side?
Yeah, that's it.
Like,
The two
that's the
side
model.
by side with a corridor down the middle and a cattle wagon at the end for extra storage.
Oh, I see. So this is just replicating that.
That's it. Yeah.
Perfect.
Everything you see is authentic to the 1930s. And we know that the first couple didn't have any running water, no gas, no electricity, just the range.
Okay.
So this is how they would have lived.
Right. Let me have a quick. I think my mum's got one of these sewing machines in the shed.
The kitchen, so Dad would have had a shade, the babies would have been bathed, and the washing would have been done outside in a tub, a big
Cooking.
So where they'd have probably had some form of gas or paraffin to heat it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's it cute? This does in that.
Blue bags.
You don't see them
Yeah,
anymore, do you?
blue bags.
That's a windy,
It is a windy.
yeah, it's a windy one. The pipe. This is obviously the father's chair.
That's right. Yes. A bit of mum's knitting to add to it.
Yeah. And yeah. No washing machines
They would have had a tub outside that they'd have had to fill up with hot water.
to wash their clothes, yeah.
That is an old paraffin heater.
Old paraffin heater.
Yeah.
I thought as much. Old clothes horse.
Yes. Although, I mean, I've still got one of those. So they're still in use today.
Yeah. Yeah, for your veg. So all that's it's a carpet cleaner. That's an old carpet cleaner.
They're larder.
A larder. Yeah. For washing clothes. That one's there for themselves, like a bath.
Their garden.
The allotment to grow their food, yeah.
Air raid shelter.
Oh, that's a water pump there, but I don't think that's for them.
Got air raid shelter here.
This is it. Wow.
That doesn't look like it protect you from a bomb.
I think it's just meant to be outside, away from the dwelling. Because they'd be targeting the dwelling, not necessarily the...
Remember your gas mask. And then if you need a toilet, it's done it.
Oh. Why have they got a picture of the king inside the toilet?
Right, if you want to take this one back, this one's leaving, or we've got to wait another.
Make the most of your opportunities. Like and subscribe. So the other one is stationary. The steam is coming out of our one. We're going to head back to Weybourne, not Sheringham. We're going to go to Weybourne. We're going to get off and I'll take some footage of both trains and then we'll hop on the other one from Weybourne to Holt. And then there's one more train to do. Really close. That one doesn't look as fancy as this one. I like this one. This is the wooden one. I'll let you do the organisation of the train. That one looks more like the trains that we have today. Well, I think we need to... Can we do that? We'll see the steam from here. In all honesty, So this is third class we've gone in. You can see these are to open and close the windows. Put them up and down. Oh! Wow. Okay, I'm going to have to put the phone down. That was a bit difficult. Won't be doing that again. Oh, this was used in a film. 1953. There we go. So this is the bath. Come out. So we've gone from posh
Yeah, I've been doing it for 40 years, so.
Oh, I just read.
do it for the job? Yeah, I do it as a job.
Dad's Army? No, Seal Morning was filmed here. Dad's Army. I used to watch that. Oh, and hello, hello. And Heidi Hi. Oh my word, all of them. we've all got the same idea, haven't we? So the ladies' waiting room has got artwork here, the tickets. Oh, it's not this side, is it? Oh, I thought I saw another book thing. Oh, it's further down the platform. So what have they turned this into? Whoa. Very windy. It's a bookshop. way down the line. So we're at Sheringham now. So we're at Sheringham. The heavens have opened all of a sudden in Sheringham. So I'm under this shelter thing. You can see the groins. Woo! And there's the boating pond. Things I do for Jolly Genius. Right, can you see them? They must be mad to be swimming in this weather. I don't know if you can see them, but anyway, I'm done. Woo!